Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate S3 uploads for high-quality video asset storage, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate S3 uploads for high-quality video asset storage, start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the S3 service from the list of services available. Create a new bucket by clicking on the Create Bucket button. Enter a unique name for your bucket and choose the appropriate region for storage. Scroll down to the Object Ownership settings and select ACLs Disabled. This ensures that you maintain control over access permissions. Next, proceed to the Block Public Access settings. Check all four options to prevent any public access to your bucket. Continue to the Bucket Versioning section and enable it. This allows you to keep track of changes and recover previous versions of your video files. Now, click on Create Bucket to finalize the process. Once your bucket is created, click on its name to enter the bucket details. Select the Permissions tab to manage access control. Add any specific AWS IAM roles or users that should have permissions to upload and manage videos. Next, navigate to the Properties tab. Enable Transfer Acceleration to speed up uploads for large video files. On the left sidebar, go to Metrics to enable access logging if needed. Logs can help analyze usage and troubleshoot any issues. Now, install an AWS SDK or CLI if you haven't done so already. Follow the documentation for your platform of choice to set up the SDK. Next, configure your credentials by creating a new IAM user with S3 permissions. Make sure to attach a policy that allows actions like PutObject and GetObject. Now, write a script in your preferred programming language to handle uploads. Use the S3 API to send videos directly to your bucket. Make sure to set the content type for videos, usually video/MP4 or similar. Implement error handling in your upload script to manage any network issues. Test the upload process with a sample video file to ensure everything is working correctly. Once the upload is successful, check your S3 bucket for the new file. Review settings for lifecycle policies if you want to manage storage costs over time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.